A by B can be written as log A minus log B. So this is equals to 1 by log A base m minus log B base m. We need logarithm of m base A by B. It can be written as 1 by log A base m minus log B base m, and that is equals to log A base m value is 1 by x, no? So 1 divided by 1 by x minus log B base m it is. Log B base m value is 1 by y. 1 by y. 1 by x minus 1 by y, then you just go with the usual simplification. So this is, if you do LCM in the denominator, it becomes like y minus x by xy. And if you reciprocal, your value is xy by y minus x. Just think about the problem. Very logical thing. Logarithm of m base a is given as x. Logarithm of m base b is given as y. And they ask us to find the logarithm of m base a by b. So to find that logarithm of m base a by b, we need different laws of logarithms. We have almost 10 laws regarding logarithms. So I am going to utilize all those laws if needs. Now this logarithm of m base a is x and m base b is y. If you reciprocal these two things, log m base a will become log a base m for 1 by x. And if you reciprocal it, this log m base b will become log b base m, and that is equals to 1 by y. Now I need to find log m base a by b. Okay, log m base a by b can be written as 1 by log a by b base m, and this is log a base m minus log b base m, and this log a base m is 1 by x, log b base m is 1 by y. Replace it and then simplify it, and finally this is the problem related to the logarithms. Just have a look, go with a screenshot. I will give you few more problems in this class. Just observe it. I hope it is clear for everybody, right? Yeah. So the next simple problem regarding this is, you need to find, see anything like logarithm of x cube base y square into logarithm of y cube base z power 4 into logarithm of z power 5 base x cube. You need to find the simplified value for this one, right? Logarithm of x cube base y square into logarithm of y cube base z power 4 into logarithm of z power 5 base x cube. How to simplify? You need to find the simplified value. We have one fundamental law related to this as logarithm of a power m base b power n can be written as m comes to the numerator part, n comes to the denominator part. It becomes like m by n into logarithm of a base b. Logarithm of a power m base b power n is equals to m by n into logarithm of a base b. Now with the support of this law, this logarithm of x cube base y square, how it becomes? Send m and n out, becomes m by n. Send 3 and 2 out, becomes 3 by 2. So it can be written as 3 by 2 into log x base y. It can be written as 3 by 2 into logarithm of x base y, right? And this log y cube base z power 4 can be written as 3 by 4 into log y base z. And this z power 4 and x cube can be written as 5 by 3 into logarithm of z base x. Just observe it. With the help of this law, we are rewriting that log x cube base y square as 3 by 2 into log x base y, 3 by 4 into log y base z, 5 by 3 into log z base x. In the problem itself, they mentioned a multiplication sign between the logarithms. So you need to multiply these three. So to multiply, you just separate the numerical part as well as the logarithmic part. See, if you separate it like this, it becomes, this is equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 3 is the numerical part, into the logarithmic part is logarithm of x base y into logarithm of y base z into logarithm of z base x. You need to simplify numerical part and logarithmic part separately. If you think about this numerical part, this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and the simplification is 15 by 8 into the numerical part gets completed. Whereas coming to the logarithmic part, this is y and this is y. We have a law regarding this. If these two terms are same, we will express it like logarithm of x base z into logarithm of z base x. Again, you just think x and x is same, z and z is same. If you think about this z, it becomes like logarithm of x base x and that value is 1. So this log x base y into log y base z into log z base x is 1. So since its logarithmic value is 1, this is 5 by 8. Your final answer is 5 by 8. Just have a look regarding this problem. Right? Just think about the problem. 4 logarithms are involved with base 2s and base 3s, and that is logarithm of 27 cube base 3. You need to simplify one by one from the inner bracket to the outer one. Right? Always, if brackets are involved, you need to simplify from inside to the outside. So you just now simplify this logarithm of 27 power 3 base 3. Just you concentrate on that part itself. If you concentrate on that part, it becomes like logarithm of, see, you just send this 3 out, is it clear? It becomes like 3 log 27 base 3. We have a law regarding this, power m will become like m times the log a base x. Now again write this 27 as 3 cube, 3 into 3 cube base 3. Again with the support of base same law, send this 3 out. It becomes like 9, log 3 base 3 is 1 right? So this logarithm of 27 cube base 3 value is 9. So you need to replace this part with 9. If you replace that part with 9, how the problem will become? Just have a look here. This is equals to logarithm of 2, logarithm of 2, logarithm of 3 of 9. Is it clear? Since this is 9, so you just replace this value with 9. Now you just write this 9 as 3 square because here base 3 is involved, right? So since this is logarithm of 3 square base 3, again you have a chance to send this 2 out. Now you just try to simplify this value. If you try to simplify this one, it becomes like 2 comes out, 2 into log 3 base 3. 2 into log 3 base 3. Again log 3 base 3 is 1, so this value is 2. Since this value is 2, you need to replace this square bracket value with 2. Now you have in your hands that this is equals to logarithm of 2, logarithm of 2, 2. Right? And again logarithm of 2 base 2 is 1. Since that logarithm of 2 base 2 is 1, you will write it like log 1 base 2 and your final answer is 0 for this problem. Right? A very basic simplification. You need to simplify one by one from the inner bracket to the outer one. First simplify the inner bracket, which is logarithm of 27 cube base 3. If you simplify, its value is 9. Replace it with 9. Now log 9 base 3 is there in your hands. If you simplify that log 9 base 3, by writing 9 as 3 square, your value is 2. So replace that square bracket with 2. Now that log 2 base 2 is 1 in this curly braces. This is 1, so log 1 base 2 you left it as 0, and this is the answer for this problem. Just have a look and go for a screenshot if needs. Right? Yeah, can I go for the next problem? Right, see, we have some more problems related to the logarithms like this. I am going to clear this one. So the problem may be like this. Just have a look. 1 divided by 1 plus logarithm of BC base A plus 1 divided by 1 plus logarithm of CA base B plus 1 divided by 1 plus logarithm of AB base C. You need to simplify this one. What is the problem? 1 divided by 1 plus log BC base A, 1 divided by 1 plus log CA base B, 1 divided by 1 plus log AB base C. Right? To simplify it, since it is log BC base A, you need to add 1. Since this is base A, I am writing this 1 also as a logarithm with base A. See, by writing this 1 as a logarithm with base A, it becomes log A base A. So this is equals to 1 by logarithm of A base A plus logarithm of BC base A. Right? Plus, now here it is the logarithm with base B. Now I try to write that 1 as logarithm of B base B plus logarithm of CA base B. And again you just write this 1 as logarithm of C base C. So logarithm of C base C plus logarithm of AB base C. Now if you look, this log A base A plus log BC base A. Base A is same here. So you just multiply this. Sum of logarithms is the logarithm of the product, right? Here logarithm with base A and there also logarithm with base A. Since base A is same, you just multiply these terms. It will become like 1 by logarithm of ABC base A plus 1 by logarithm of ABC base B. Since base B is same, plus sign is there in between the logarithms. Sum of these two logarithms is the logarithm of the product. Whose product it is? Product of this B and CA. So logarithm of BCA base B plus 1 by, again C is same, plus sign is there. Sum of logarithms is the logarithm of the product, and that product is for the product of C and AB. It becomes like logarithm of ABC base C. Now finally you have this 1 by log ABC base A, 1 by log ABC base B, 1 by log ABC base C in your hands. And we know that this 1 by log ABC base A can be written as by reciprocaling. These two will get interchanged. It becomes like log A base ABC. So how it becomes? See, this is equals to log A base ABC plus log B base ABC plus log C base ABC. Right? Now we have three logarithms with the same base ABC. Again you have a chance to combine all these three logarithms because the base is same as ABC, plus sign is there in between the logarithms. You need to write it like logarithm of the product, and that product is for A, B and C. So you will write it like log ABC base ABC, and your answer is 1 for this one. Just have a look once again here. See, 1 by 1 plus log BC base A, 1 by 1 plus log CA base B, 1 by 1 plus log AB base C. To simplify, I am writing this 1 as log A base A. Why 1 as log A base A? Because this is logarithm with base A. So I need to write this 1 also as logarithm with base A. For that I am writing it as log A base A. Here log B base B, there log C base A. Now combine these two as a logarithm product, log ABC base A, log ABC base B, log ABC base C. If you reciprocate, it becomes like log A base ABC and there log B base ABC. Again you need to add these three logarithms having base ABC with plus sign between them. It becomes like log ABC base ABC, and your final answer is 1. I think it is clear. Just have a look. Let's go with the screenshot. Logarithm of the product is mentioned as logarithm of sum of the logarithms, right? So you just split it like this. Logarithm of A power 4 base A plus logarithm of B power 5 base A is equals to 1. Is it right? Since it is product, you need to split it with base A. Now send this 4 out. It becomes like 4 into log A base A plus 5 into log B base A is equals to 1. Since this logarithm of A base A is 1, so send this 4 that side. It becomes like log B base A, 5 log B base A is equals to, this is 4, right? 4 goes out, will become minus 3. Then log B base A is equals to minus 3 by 5. From this I have the value of log B base A as minus 3 by 5. Now I need to find this value, logarithm of A power 5 into B power 4 base B. Right? Now again apply the same thing, that you are able to express it like logarithm of A power 5 base B plus logarithm of B power 4 base B. Now send this 5 out as well as 4 out. It becomes like 5 log a base b plus 4 log b base b. See, this log b base b value is 1 and I need log a base b to find. But log b base a is minus 3 by 5, then log a base b is its reciprocal. So 5 into its reciprocal is minus 5 by 3 plus 4. So 5 into minus 5 by 3 plus 4 and minus 25 plus 12 divided by 3. Minus 25 plus 12 is nothing but what? Minus 13 by 3.